Here you can see a dining table. This is, I would say, country style. It's heavy, big components, and because of that there are several sub-assemblies here to try to help in the assembly of working with less weight at a time. So here are various sub-assemblies, and first of all, the side assembly. It's all glued up and pinned, mortise and tenon joints, and it is moved into those tenons coming out of those long rails and exposing then a socket for these wedges. I'm in X-ray mode now, so you can see that socket in that through tenon is angled just like the wedge. So the wedge is driven in both on the bottom rail and also in the top rail. So as I back up here, you can see the wedge coming in, and also the plank top. The inner top comes down first, and then the outer facing top, 3/4 of an inch thick, is screwed into place. So this is how I imagine the construction of this large table.